Hey there everyone, hope you're doing great today. So in today's video, I wanted to do a little bit of a more informative video and talk about the different carriers that are out right now for cell phones and the different plans that they offer so that we can determine which carrier offers the best prices and plans. Hey there, my name is Sergio with Cellular Pros, and in this channel I do tech reviews and tutorials. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna have links down below in the description to the information in this video. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so in this video we're going to be comparing the top carriers in the United States right now: T-Mobile, AT&T, Verizon, and Sprint. So in this video we're just going to be comparing the top 4 carriers in the country right now. I'm going to be doing more videos like these, also comparing other prepaid carriers as well later on. But in this video I wanted to get started with the biggest carriers available right now. In this video though, we're just going to be covering the cell phone plans that they offer. We're not going to be covering all of the services that these companies offer. From these 4 carriers, we're going to be comparing their cheapest plan and the price and what it offers, their unlimited plan, the price and what it offers, and we're also going to be comparing their family plans, the pricing and also what it includes. All right, so let's jump right in. Let's start off first with T-Mobile. T-Mobile is one of my favorite carriers. They're very flexible. They're always giving a lot of promotions on their plans. T-Mobile has postpaid plans and prepaid plans. So depending what you want to go ahead and use, their family plans are postpaid, not prepaid. Let's start off with their cheapest plan. T-Mobile's cheapest plan is a $40 plan, and it includes unlimited talk, text, and 10 gigabytes of 4G LTE data. And it's for a limited time offer. Alright, so if you want unlimited data with T-Mobile, the cheapest plan for the unlimited data that they offer is $60. So that one's going to get you unlimited talk, unlimited text, and unlimited 4G LTE data. So T-Mobile's family plan, like I said, is postpaid. It's $40 a month, and it's actually super cheap if you pay with auto pay. It drops a whole $10 from $40 to $30 a month with the auto pay. Okay, so that includes unlimited talk, unlimited text, and unlimited data. $30 a line. So for a family of 4, it's going to be $120 for everybody to have unlimited talk, text, and web. All right, let's go on to the next one. So number 2, we have Sprint in the line here. So now we have Sprint, the next runner up. So Sprint, their cheapest individual plan is a $40 plan, and it includes unlimited talk, text, and just 2 gigabytes of 4G LTE data. Their cheapest plan for unlimited data is $60 a month, which will include the same talk, text, and the unlimited data for $60 a month. And Sprint's family plan, they actually have a special right now. I'm not sure how long they're going to have this for, but it's $24 a line, but you have to have 5 lines. So I did the math and it comes out to $120 a month for 5 lines with unlimited talk, text, and data. So out of all of the family plans that I have researched today, Sprint is offering the best plan right now. All right, let's go to AT&T now. So AT&T, their cheapest individual plan is $35 a month, and it's $30 a month with auto pay. And that includes unlimited talk, text, and just 1 gigabyte of 4G LTE data. So very low data there from AT&T, but that is their cheapest plan. If you want unlimited with AT&T, their cheapest plan is $65 a month, and it comes out to $55 a month with auto pay. And you'll get the unlimited talk, text, and web. It does not come with a mobile hotspot though. If you want mobile hotspot, their cheapest plan is $75 a month, and it gives you 10 gigabytes of hotspot. So AT&T's family plan is just $40 a month per line. So for a family of 4, you're looking at $160 a month for unlimited talk, text, and data for 4 lines. And that is not including mobile hotspot. If you want mobile hotspot, it comes out to a little bit more. So moving on to our final contender of the day, which is Verizon. Everybody claims Verizon has a great service coverage network, that their service is very good, but they also say it's one of the most expensive. So let's jump right in. So Verizon's cheapest individual plan is a $35 plan. And it includes unlimited talk, text, and 2 gigabytes of data for $35 a month. Verizon is also a postpaid and prepaid company, so they offer both, just like AT&T, Sprint, and T-Mobile. Verizon's unlimited plan for one line is $75 a month, which will get you the unlimited talk, text, and data. However, there is a note on there with a little I notification that states that you will get slower speeds if there is congestion, meaning if there's a lot of people using their data network at the same time, you might get slower speeds with this plan. So Verizon's family plan is also $40 a line. So 4 lines, it comes out to $160 for unlimited talk, text, and data for 4 lines. So same as AT&T there with the family plan. All right, so let's just do a quick recap of these 4 companies that we just talked about. So let's just go ahead and claim who the winners are in each category. So the winner of the cheapest individual plan is going to be AT&T, which offers the $30 a month plan, and that's with auto pay, but it only gives you 2 gigabytes of 4G LTE data. However, T-Mobile with $40 a month, like I said, they'll give you 10 gigabytes of 4G LTE data, and that's their cheapest individual plan. So the cheapest out of these 4 companies that will give you an unlimited talk, text, and data plan is going to be AT&T, because they advertise it as $65 a month, but it comes out to $55 with auto pay. So that's a little bit cheaper there. T-Mobile is at $60 a month, but they're not giving that auto pay discount. And Sprint is also at $60, just like T-Mobile, but not giving the auto pay discount either. So AT&T is the winner for that one. So for the family plans though, the winner is Sprint at the moment, since they do have that limited time offer of 5 lines for $120. These are the 4 companies that we reviewed today, the 4 carriers. Let me know which one you prefer. Also, we have to keep in mind which of these companies has the best service coverage. So here's a couple pictures of each one, the service coverage map for each one, for Sprint, AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon. Although you can't really base your decision off looking at these maps because they are not 100% accurate. For the coverage, you kind of have to, go by experience and by also location, since all of these companies have different towers in different locations. With one company, you may get better service in one place than another company. So it all depends on what tower you are closer to. So hope this video was helpful for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead and give it a like. Let me know if you want more videos like this, more informative videos about carriers. I'm definitely thinking about doing more, and I'm probably going to do more videos with prepaid carriers as well. So that's it for this video, everyone. Go ahead and give it a like, and I'll see you guys around in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.